Welcome back to another episode of Zack's Garage. Today we will be doing some tank cleaning of the tank out of the hit miss engine. As you saw, I used a mason jar last time because I had no idea what was inside this tank, and you are about to find out what actually is in here. It was pretty nasty, so enjoy. I'm Zack, and this is my odd garage. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is take the tank out. The tank is underneath. It's held on by those two straps there. They just have little hooks on the end. I should be able to just pop those two little hooks out. I'm gonna first just try to do it with my hand. Just probably an old coat hanger, to be honest with you. And two. Now I'm going to hold it and finagle it. Oh no. It's okay there. What I totally forgot about was the fill fitting. That's going to limit us from taking it out right now. So probably just have to loosen this fitting. It should just pop out. Let's see if I can do it by hand. That was painless. Cool. Nice. Okay, so that should clear and I should rotate fitting this way. Nope. Okay, doesn't fit. So I thought I could rotate it through, but the hole's not big enough. Just gotta take that one fitting off. Inlet fitting out. I should go for it. Nice. Okay, here's our tank. It looks really clean on the outside except for this one piece. This will probably just lightly sand off, to be honest with you. The rest of it's pretty clean. It's a little bit dented. But as you can see, it's square to fit under there. We have our fitting we were working on earlier. I just screwed it back in so I didn't lose it. And then this is where the fill was attached to. If you can hear this, sounds like there's some dirt inside, to be honest. So back with our gas tank. As you heard before, there was some dirt in it, so we're gonna need to clean that out before we use this coating I got to put on the inside. This is called Red Coat. It's made by Damon. Another hit miss guy recommended this product to me. Basically, it coats the inside and it also seals up any small pores if there are any. This one doesn't look like we're gonna have that issue, but this sealer inside will keep this tank nice and clean for, you know, a long time. Before we could put the coating in though, we're gonna need to clean the inside. I'm gonna use diesel. You can use acetone, but diesel's a little bit cheaper. Diesel's also a very good solvent for cleaning out old gas and dirt, whatever was in here. So I don't know how many years ago this engine was running. Since there's dirt in here, I believe it was probably quite a while. The guy I got it from, actually, it came with the house he bought. The previous owner passed away, so the house went up for auction, and the hit miss engine was in there. The guy didn't know much about it, so he sold it, and luckily I saw it and bought it from him. Here I got a funnel in here to add the diesel. I got our overflow when it runs out the other end. Get this new gas can. I'm not totally sure about these new controls, but let's see how they work. Slosh it around. So quite a bit nasty sediment in the bottom. See in this top corner? Yeah. It's been sitting a long time. So I'm gonna do this a couple more times. Then I'm gonna let it sit with some in there. This end, which means just about as full as we're gonna get. So I'm gonna let this sit for a while. All right. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. We are in Zack's extended garage here, the basement. I have our tank filled with diesel, as you saw before. I'm going to let it sit here for a couple days, and then I'll empty it out. Then I gotta let it dry. You wanna let it completely dry, bone dry. And then we'll use this coating in a future video. So, like, subscribe, drop a comment below what you wanna see next. Snowblower, I pulled it out. Now we just need to do some maintenance on that. The coating in this, we got maybe some tractor work coming up. A lot of options. Drop a comment, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, Zack's Odd Garage. Have a great weekend.